Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, March 2nd. Today, let's talk about the practice of accentuating the positive. Dr. Rick Hanson, who you probably remember from our past series, the esteemed psychologist and mindfulness teacher, points out that the brain has a negativity bias naturally. The mind just naturally clings to unpleasant experiences in order to brace you and protect you from danger. But by actively seeking out moments of joy, you can encourage the brain to shift the bias. As the saying goes, what you put your attention on grows. In other words, if you look for pleasant experiences, you will find them. In the exercise today, we will look to bring intentional mindfulness to the positive moments of your day. So let's do it. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural, and just notice how this natural breath flows through your body, how your body responds to it. Now, how about you start today with the intention of finding good things? Be a hunter on the lookout for something that brings you happiness. So right now, think of it. What brings me happiness here and now? And perhaps it's something super simple. Being comfortable in your chair right now, or even setting out to do this practice that you know will do you good. Whatever it is, savor it. Fully take in the moment of joy. First, notice your mental state. Try to identify what the experience is in the mind. Maybe it's calmness, relaxation, contentment, satisfaction. Well, whatever it is, just notice what it is for you. There is no wrong answer. Now bring your awareness to the body. Focus on the chest, belly, shoulders. Notice any feelings of ease in the body, openness, relief from tension. As you breathe, make space to feel the contentment, the happiness, the joy all over you. How does that feel? Without clinging to this feeling, though, try to stay in tune with the experience. Let the feeling fade naturally and notice when it leaves you. And know it's okay. Everything comes and goes. It is the natural rhythm of life after all. How does that feel? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I rejoice in this realization. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of this practice, as usual, briefly scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice of actively looking for positive experiences. Remain open during your day to all the joys you may experience. And remember, they don't have to be grand moments of elation. It can be something super subtle, a little contentment, a little ease, a relief from tension, a color that you like. And don't worry when those feelings pass. Remember, it's okay. Everything comes and goes. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, full of joyous experiences. And I will see you tomorrow.